So AFSIC is the leading investment event for Africa, and I'm the Managing Director. I set up the event about 9 years ago. I've got quite a lot of experience in investing in Africa. I used to run the stock exchange in Botswana and then founded one of their major investment banks. And since the 1990s, I've built up one of the largest networks of investors globally focused on Africa. And this event is a great place for them to come together to meet investment opportunities from countries like Ghana and to meet companies that are growing rapidly, looking to raise capital to grow in Africa. AFSIC acts as a consolidator of investors who come here from across the world to meet African companies. So if you are a Ghanaian company, you'll be able to come to AFSIC and meet a whole range of investors, whether they're venture capital, whether they're private equity. We've got sovereign wealth funds here. We've got investors that invest into debt, equity, also into funds. So by coming to AFSIC, you can meet a lot of investors in one time. And we try and help companies from across Africa meet investors in a variety of different ways. So before the event, we'll consolidate information on companies that are trying to raise capital and put the information into brochures that we distribute to investors, so the investors can then find investment opportunities that match their own investable parameters and hopefully arrange meetings on we've got a sophisticated meeting app that they can arrange meetings with the African companies and Ghanaian companies up to 1 month prior to AFSIC. So it's a great place for Ghanaian companies to meet investors. So the next event is taking place in October 23. It'll be in London again, and we're expecting substantial presence from Ghana, and we're looking forward to having companies from across the continent. So there's 54 countries in Africa, and we're looking forward to companies from across the continent coming here to meet the wide range of investors that we'll have attending the event. One of the new developments that we've got is that while this event has grown into Africa's investment event, we recognise that it's expensive for Ghanaian companies to come to London and to meet investors, and some people can't come in October. It's maybe a difficult time of year for them. So what we do have is a range of digital platforms where Ghanaian companies that are wanting to raise money can add themselves onto our platforms, and we'll try and assist them meet investors in the interim period between the AFSIC events. So you can find out more information on these platforms on our website, www.afsic.net, or contact AFSIC for more information. But they're definitely really useful for companies in Ghana that are looking to raise money or to promote their businesses and to increase their revenue in Ghana.